Hello, friends and family from around the world. This is Mike with Daily Events Worldwide, and we are on December 27th, 2023. Welcome to another surviving day on the planet, and welcome to a quick video update here as we're looking at Null School, showing our upper level winds from last year at this time. And it looks like a pretty cylindrical northern polar vortex, typical for the winter season for Northern Hemisphere. As I said, typical and cylindrical, but I wanted to share with you what it looks like today. And these are our upper level winds right now. This is very strange indeed. Huge oblonged northern polar vortex. Massive high pressure ridge in the Pacific Ocean, extending northern atmospheric winds further south towards southeast China, and equatorial air still being pumped into North America, just waiting for this big oval blob of a polar vortex to swing around the planet. And in doing so, we're going to see some pretty dramatic changes here. Having a look at weather models showing the winds as they are near hurricane force along the west coast of British Columbia and then up into Alaska as these systems move through. Some pretty insane systems here moving through the North Pacific. Look at that low pressure system on the left side heading up into the Bering Strait, affecting all of the Aleutian Islands and parts of western Alaska. And then long-range forecast here showing some pretty significant systems developing yet again. Huge low in the long-range forecast. This is the first week of January forecast models. Huge low-pressure system heading through the Aleutian Islands. This is insane. Near hurricane force winds, 120 kilometer per hour wind gusts along the center. Upwards of 140 in some areas. But just insane. We've seen some dramatic changes on our planet unfolding before our eyes. As I've been warning y'all for the past 5 years on YouTube, trying to alert everybody. Spread some awareness and preparedness of the great changes that are coming to this planet. Over 11 million hectares of land was burned across Canada this year. It's not surprising that we're seeing these very abnormal warm temperatures across Canada and most of North America right now. Not to mention some very large volcanic eruptions that we've seen in 2023 and in 2022. Over the past few years, some pretty large volcano eruptions, some that have been dormant for 600 years. For instance, Fagradus Valley in Iceland. Showing here Northern Hemisphere forecast models, windy.com, as parts of Ireland and the United Kingdom will be feeling this as well. I wanted to share here with you the wave heights as well. When you're up into the grays and the whites, you're looking at 10 to 12 meter waves. So BC coast, and as well Washington, Oregon, California. This week you're going to be seeing some pretty strong surf. So heads up, stay safe, stay aware, prepared. All you surfers out there, get ready, because it's going to be some wild action in the East Pacific Ocean. As you can see, same thing happening in the North Atlantic. I wanted to share here with you the forecast temperature models, as eventually all of this extreme cold air that is on the other side of the planet is going to swing around, and it is showing here as we see all these purples start to invade Canada. over the next few days, and by January 3rd, 4th, we'll be seeing some pretty extreme cold temperatures straight across Canada, except for Alberta. Chinook winds, look at this, minus 35 in some areas. But the east is still dealing with some extra tropical warm air and as well moisture. It is raining right now. Here's a quick look at forecast models for snow totals and accumulations across North America. Not too much to talk about. Much love, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this quick weather update, as we're going through some pretty insane times, and it's evident here on these weather models. Thanks for watching. Stay aware and prepared. Stay young and have fun. And get your daily dew. We'll see you for tonight's update. Bye-bye now. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends and family from across the world.